if you're a Sonos person and you have the Play 1, the 1, or the SL, the small little speakers, I now have a up-to-city code solution to put it inside of your ceiling. How many of you guys have it sitting on the counter and it's constantly getting splashed by water or just in the way? Well, today I would like to introduce this product here. This is the Fruition Designs in ceiling enclosure. I am gonna discuss in this video what type of framing you need to put it in your wall, but pretty much anybody can put this in their ceiling. It keeps everything up to city code, the voice assistant works, everything functions perfectly, and it hides the speakers out of sight. Let's go! Welcome back, guys. So we are the sole distributor in the USA for this product, and you can now purchase it on our website at shopdreammedia.com or call and speak with one of our specialists. Keep in mind, if you're doing a new construction home, yes, this is a great solution, but we also sell architectural speakers at all different price points. In wall, in ceiling, completely invisible speakers, and you can still do the Sonos operating system with their Sonos amps as well as their Sonos ports, and we have the subs, all the little pieces to bring the Sonos ecosystem together. But this particular product is groundbreaking, guys. And if you're watching this video and the new Era 100's out, I would like to mention that we are working on developing this same enclosure for the Era 100, but at this time it is not available. Stay tuned to our website and our YouTube channel for updates. But check it out, guys. This thing solves all the problems. It's just like an in-ceiling speaker. These little dog legs pop out and it clamps onto the sheetrock. Your high voltage power comes in right here, and there's a little junction box in the side that pops out, and you have some little pigtails right there. You just strip back your wire and plug it in, and then the speaker just plugs right in. It's already all set. And then these little dog legs will pop out and hold it in so that you can put it in the ceiling and not have to worry about the speaker falling out. They even went as far as putting this little button right here that reaches around to the back side and allows you to push the pairing button on the back. They literally thought of everything. I mean, they really knocked it out of the park, and I couldn't be more happy to offer this to you guys. We have the toggle on and off right here, as well as the voice control works too. And keep in mind, these little Sonos speakers, the Play 1, 1, and SL, although it looks like they're speakers all the way around the unit, there aren't. It's just a mono speaker with a woofer and a tweeter, and it fires straight out. So you're not gonna affect your audio performance. I actually already have a couple of these installed in my walls upstairs in my master bedroom for surround sound speakers, because my wife didn't want to put them on a stand, and because we already have like a picture of our kiddo and some plants, and it just would have been too cluttered. So I'm running the Sonos Arc, a couple of these for my surround effects, and then 2 subwoofers hidden off in the corners, and it actually rips. It's a really solid system and very affordable, wireless. I didn't have that room pre-wired for anything except for stereo speakers, so the Sonos was kind of my natural solution that was quick and easy and provided pretty good performance. Now, if you're interested in seeing that video, I did do a full install video walkthrough showing how to actually do every single step of it, as well as some demos of the space. So be sure to go check that video out. But I didn't make a video introducing this product, so I had to show you guys in a dedicated video how amazing this is, and we'll eventually have the same enclosure for the Sonos Era 100 as well. Now keep in mind, it does have a magnetic grill that is included, but we also sell on our website a square grill if you can fit it inside your walls. Here's the installation guide that's included, and it comes with a cutout template as well. You would just trace this out on your wall or on your ceiling, and then the speaker pops right into place. I would like to discuss the requirements for mounting in the wall versus mounting in the ceiling. Mounting in the ceiling, you could pretty much do it anywhere. I mean, almost all homes are gonna have at least 2x6 ceiling joists, so I wouldn't worry so much about that. You do wanna watch out for gas lines, power lines, you know, anything that could potentially, plumbing, anything that could potentially be a problem inside of the wall whenever you're going to cut your hole, but a little bit lower risk in the ceiling. Now in the wall, you do need to ensure that you have 2x6 framing. So if your walls aren't thick, if it's just a standard 2x4 thin wall, this enclosure is not going to fit into it. And I showed that in my detail installation video whenever I did install these in the walls. But I was fortunate enough to have 2x6 framing, so it worked. But in an upcoming video that I'm about to do, I'm gonna show you guys how to install this in the ceiling. In the bathroom, this is an amazing solution because a lot of the time, or at least at my house, I have these Play 1s or the SLs sitting on the counter right next to where you're washing your hands, brushing your teeth, doing all that. And with this product here, I can get it up in the ceiling and still give my guest, or in the situation upstairs, give myself some entertainment while I'm giving my son a bath. I love having it integrated into the Sonos ecosystem because I can pair this together with other rooms throughout the house, as well as play music completely independent to that space. As an example, I had some family over to the house and everybody's watching a movie down here in the formal, and we had a movie on, and that was paired together with the kitchen and ceiling speakers and the dining room and ceiling speakers. And then out on the patio, we had music playing completely separate. Some people were hanging out there and just basking in the sun. And then my son, it was bath time, so we went up there and were able to play his little Paw Patrol music at a whatever level we'd like, but completely independent from the rest of the house. Sonos is amazing, and we have been selling Sonos for over a decade. We offer free nationwide shipping and would love the opportunity to earn your business. We do offer free video consultations. So if you're building a home, schedule a consultation with one of my specialists and they will walk through your space and tailor a package to fit your exact needs and budget. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and found it informative in helping you find a solution for all those Sonos speakers that are hanging around your house. Get them up, hidden inside the ceiling. All right, guys, that's all I got for you. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up and make sure to smash that subscribe button down below. Till next time, this is Zach with Dream Media Home Theater. Thank you for watching.